They're huge.
This one is
One, two, three, four males. No female. There are four. So these are males.
Yeah, it is.
Four males. I don't know, maybe they've been picked out of the family.
Yeah?
No.
No. No.
Smell whatever is strange. And this one's I huge, yeah? Yeah, which one is not?
Not on go. There's a plenty too.
When you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Ooh. Ooh.
And he don't care really.
It doesn't give a shit. It's full. Ooh, it's a big guy. It's a big cat.
And there's a dangerous there.
Hey.
Me? Like this.
Doesn't care.
Can you see it?
Another one is here.
Wow.
Behind it.
There's another one. There's another one.
Oh, is it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's the small one, I think.
This is a male.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Look, the other one. Nashib.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's a lot of it around.
Look at that, look at that.
It's tired, huh?
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Okay, it's feeling beautiful.
So getting to the water place and like, that's the territory
There's
there.
no water now.
Normally you have two, She smells something,
Second spot.
Yeah, going to drink the water.
Are you like with everything? Sleeping.
Oh, this one is laying like a, skin of a bear, I reckon.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
There's
over
another
there,
one
yeah, I
here,
saw
Kevin.
that. Over there, right? I think it's that one. I think it's over there one, huh?
Over there, Sudan.
Yeah, I saw that.
It's never only one. No.
The king are actually protected. Vide se ono, što se ne vidi.
Samo da ga...
Samo se povučeš, ne približiš mu se, ono.
Another even like
To
bigger
next
giraffe.
door.
So this is one of the fastest animals on land, huh?
Yeah,
The top speed of 100 kilometers per hour.
120 I reckon. Up to 120.
Yes. Between 100 to 120 kilometers per hour, okay?
Evo mu je glava, vidi glavu od... Evo ti od ovog...
Animal.
What is over there? It's still like a meat over there.
Yes, this is a head.
I think they're
like a parcel. They're like a parcel on a parcel.
Wow.
They parcel when they kill and just drag it in.
Ah.
There's another lion up there.
Where?
Up there.
Oh yeah.
Over there.
But another female. Here. Just like come here.
You'll see them. We'll see there's another one big. I'll show you as we go. Over there.
You've seen the crocodile.
Do you see the crocodile?
No, hippos.
Gdje je beba? Ovo je što se nobali prvi.
That's
This
another
is the
one.
Mara River.
This is the Mara River. Starts from our forest. Yes, drains towards Lake Victoria.
Hippos.
So nobody crosses anybody's boundary.
But unless you want to become famous, my friend. Cross here.
You cross. I mean, they themselves.
Yes, they have territories. Yeah.
So they cannot allow the
You
others.
cannot allow
to
other cross this
territory.
side and our other side. Yeah.
Okay.
It's just communicating. Yeah. Adult one. It's about 4.5 to 5 meters.
Oh. That's a couple of seconds and then...
During migration, just come there. Yeah, by the way, that's the point of migration. Wildebeest migration.
Oh, okay. So it's...
Yes, here. Yeah, it's one point.
But look, this one was like in here on the verge. It's a big one, mama.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that